guys, it's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. How have you guys been doing with the quarantine? I hope that you're staying safe. I hope that you're staying well. Everybody is remaining healthy, remaining inside. I hope that we're staying inside where we're supposed to be until we can get rid of this thing. But welcome back to my channel. I finally sat down to record. I had a special request from a subscriber asking for a purple eye. And I'm sorry it took me so long, but you know, life be lifing. And so I came back today and I was like, you know what? I have some pretty purple eyeshadows. I'm gonna go ahead and do a nice halo smoky eye for y'all. So I hope you like it. If you wanna see how I got this beautiful purple look, I hope that you will keep watching. All right, I already have my foundation on and I use my Maybelline Super Stay foundation and I'm in the shade 312, which is golden. I have underlined, oh my gosh, concealed my under eye with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade medium golden. So that's what I'm going to do to my face for now, because I know some of this eyeshadow may have some fallout. So I've put on my foundation, a little bit of concealer under eye, but we're going to work on this eyeshadow and pray we get it right and it won't be a mess. So let's go. Here I'm using a purple shade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Violet. I don't know why this portion didn't record the audio, but this is the color that I'm using. So after this is placed in the inner outer corner, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to blend those in, obviously. And I'm even going to take it just a little bit up to my crease. Here's a little bit. And so you see it's just on the out, but I have this blank space here. Okay. And I'm gonna do this because I want a little extra. So I'm gonna take a sharp crease. I just folded up a sticky note. And I'm gonna go like this, because I don't want it to go down. I want it to kind of be up. Take a little bit of that purple and just make it like that. We can always clean this up with concealer, do not worry. It's just to get this line place. You see what I mean? Kind of give it some oomph. So we'll do that and then I'm gonna blend it. For the middle of my eyelid, I'm gonna take this very vibrant purple here from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Try Me. That's cute. And I'm gonna place that in the space in the middle of my eye. Brush some of that off. That has a lot of fallout to it, that color, and I only have so much on my brush, but you see how vibrant that is. It's gonna be a really nice contrast to this dark purple. And I'm just taking it up ever so slightly in a slight angle. Like so. And see, that gives it the pop of color in the middle. So now that I have this purple placed in the middle, of course we can't just leave it there, but we're going to very, very, very softly blend it, because I don't want this to smear all over the lid, because you see the halo portion of it right here is covering all the way up to here. So you just want the spotlight to be right there in the middle. So I'm gonna very softly blend this part. And I'm barely touching my eyelid. Just barely, because I still want it to be bright in the middle. So let's do the other eye. The left eye is turning out way better than the right eye, because that's just how it is. I don't know why, it just does. I don't know. But anyway, we gonna make it work. We're gonna make it do what it do. like Jamie said. So I'm just blending this in the corner, like so. And I left that space open for that bright pop of color. So let's do it. We're going back in. That's the color Try Me from ColourPop. And I'm gonna take it on the brush just a little bit. This color has a lot of fallout, so I don't need a lot of it. And I just got some in my blue eyeshadow. That's fun. Taking it right in the middle. Right here. Slight angle, slightly up. Man, I like the way this eye looks so much better. That's okay. I'm going to take all my pictures on the left side today, not the right. Just pop that there. And then I'm going to soften it out, like I said before. Very, very softly. As you can see, the point of this eye is to have the darkness surrounding it and then the pop of light in the color. That's why it has the name Halo, is because of how the eyeshadow is placed. And I just rubbed all of that purple off. Oh my gosh. Oh well. Honestly, superhero. It looks like a superhero. This eye, a lot of times this is done with like neutral colors, and so you'll use something sparkly or metallic in the middle, but I wasn't feeling that today. And like I said, somebody requested a purple eye, so a purple eye you shall get. Now we gonna fix this because we ain't going out like that. That's what we not gonna do. Not today. We gonna clean that up right now. Clean that up. See, now it matches. So we just taking a very, 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 very fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend this just a smidge more. And I hope this don't look crazy. Purple. So let me do my lashes and liner, and then we'll come back and finish with blush, okay? I use black eyeliner. I didn't really want to, but because the look is dramatic, I went ahead with a slight black eyeliner on my waterline. And also my gray eyeliner is broken. I don't know why, and I'm gonna cry because it was the only one I had. But anyway, I'm gonna take still this purple shade, that Try Me from ColourPop, that is still on my brush, and I'm going to use that as well on my under eye just for some extra zhuzh underneath. So here you go. I really love lining my eyes with eyeshadow, because I think it just gives it some extra depth, and to me it's not as harsh. You know what I'm saying? Like, look how big that made my eyes, just like, oh, I love that. So we gonna go ahead and line my waterline just very, very slightly. And I'm just using the very tip of this brush with that color on it, nothing major. And then we have a pop of color on my under eye. Voila. Okay, so we have on Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. We have on a pair of Ardell number 110 natural lashes, and I clipped them, so I only have them in the middle. I don't have on a full strip lash. I didn't need all that, right? So I clipped them to make them fit just to the middle, no big deal. So I think for blush, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter first from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Crown of My Canopy. And I'm gonna do highlight first and then blush. We're gonna make this something else, so let's see. Here's my mirror down there. And this focus of this look is on the purple eye, so everything else is gonna be kind of pearl-esque, shimmery, neutral kind of deal, okay? I will never, ever, ever stop highlighting my nose. I don't care. It's just so automatic at this point too. Like, so I have highlight on and it's popping. Let's do the other side. I just like the way it looks. It just gives you that little boop in the middle. For blush, I'm gonna take this shade from this e.l.f. palette, and it has a lot of shimmer, so I'm gonna go very easy, and it's also peaches pink, so I don't wanna do too much because again, with the eye, there we go, boom. See, just enough color on my cheeks. Boom, shakalaka. We love to see it. Just a dab of color on my cheeks, cause, oh look, this has a mirror. I keep forgetting. I don't know why I'm all over here trying to get all in my mirror down there. I keep forgetting. How cute. See? Just enough color on my cheeks. My lip color, I have lined my lips with this Essence Cosmetics Neutral lip liner, and don't ask me what the shade is because I don't have on my glasses. And I'm gonna go in with this Dose of Colors gloss, and this is one of my favorites actually. This is in the shade Jazzy, and it has like a pink champagne color to it, but it also has a lot of sparkle that I really like, and I really think it would be a nice neutral tone to this eye. So let's find out, shall we? Oh yeah. That's perfect, right? Not too heavy. That's a good look. I totally dropped everything on my vanity. Please hold. So this is the final look. I added just a little bit more lip liner, just something a little darker, just to give it some depth to the color, but I really like the way the neutral down here and the drama up here is playing off of each other. This was a very good suggestion. Thank you to the subscriber who requested a purple eye. I have not done a dramatic purple eye in a really long time. I had a good time recreating this superhero, kind of like a halo smoky eye with the brightness in the middle and the darkness on the outside. This was really fun. It was a nice little way to unwind. We're inside for this quarantine. I hope you guys have been staying safe. Unless you're an essential worker, staying inside, please. I know it's so tempting to want to go over and visit family, to hang out with our friends, you know, and even go work out with a bunch of people. But you guys, if we don't stay inside for a while, we're never getting out of the house. Like, summertime is going to come and go, and we'll still be under a quarantine. And I personally have plans this summer, so please stay inside. Make sure you stay safe. Make sure you keep in contact with people that you love. You know, if you don't want to do every virtual thing that's going on, don't do it. Just decompress. Have some fun in your space with yourself. Get to know yourself a little better. But most importantly, just stay safe. If you have to go out to the store, cool. But just doing stuff just to be doing it because you don't like to be told to stay inside, it's a little, at this point, it's just a little egregious, right? We want to make sure that we can do our part to flatten this curve and get this virus out of here so that we can have a full and fun summer. So that's all I have to say about that. Thank you so much, as usual, for tuning in. Thank you so much again to the subscriber who requested this look. I hope you like it. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you. Make sure you speak. Say hello. Leave a comment down below. Feel free to share this. Make sure you're following me on the gram. And again, until we meet next time, stay safe. Love you guys, and I'll see you again.